and welcome to this overview session on Azure Cost Management. My name is Rafael Chaco, and I am a program manager in the Azure Cost Management team. Now, while the cloud makes it easy to deploy and manage thousands of resources, it also brings about the challenge of managing costs. Azure Cost Management can help by providing the right visibility, enabling accountability, and helping save money with optimization recommendations. Let's take a quick look at these features in action for each of these areas. For visibility, we have cost analysis, exports, and Power BI. Cost analysis allows you to view and analyze your data with a rich set of interactive experiences. With exports, you can push your data to a storage account on a daily or weekly basis. This is a great option if you want to keep daily snapshots or use this to integrate with other sources in your environment. With Power BI, you have the option to create your own custom views and dashboards using the Power BI connector, or you can just use the Power BI content pack, which provides a rich set of canned dashboards. With accountability, we have budgets and notifications, alerts, and management groups. Once you have set your budget, you can view your budget in cost analysis and see how you are tracking against your targets. Setting a budget is pretty easy and also gives you the flexibility of creating up to 5 thresholds that you can configure with email or integrate with Azure Action Groups, and this allows you to get notifications once you hit each of these thresholds. You can always go to the Cost Alerts blade to see all your configured alerts. If you have configured a management group, you can also view your cost in cost analysis to view the cost for any node in that management group structure. With Azure Advisor cost recommendations, you can get specific cost savings based on your usage patterns. So save money using right sizing recommendations, reservation purchases, and Azure hybrid usage benefits to maximize savings. So now that we have looked at a quick overview of what's available in cost management, let's also see some other benefits that the new experience brings. It's on by default. We have a reduced end-to-end latency. It is integrated with Azure Active Directory and role-based access control and provides least privilege access from management groups all the way down to resource groups and subscriptions. And best of all, this is available at no cost to manage your Azure spend. So thank you for watching, and please visit us at these links for additional cost management and billing videos and reference materials. Thank you.